bathroom unlocked. Can you tell? I'm in a really fancy bathroom right now. But also, do you notice anything different? Let me give you a hint. I just got my hair done. We are currently in New York with Coach, and I'm super excited that they invited me out to this event. So I need to get ready, and I thought the bathroom was giving Vogue secrets. And I feel like it's every girl's dream to be on a Vogue video. So I'm taking this as my chance. So I already went ahead and prepped and primed my skin with my skincare. And now we're gonna go in with sunscreen. I use this D'Alba sunscreen, but I wanna show you guys the texture of this. It's really nice. It leaves no white cast on me, and it just blends in so well, and it keeps my skin really hydrated, which is really important for me because I realize as I'm getting older, my skin's getting a lot drier. So to make sure my skin is protected, and it is raining in New York, which is really unfortunate because I wanted to walk around a little bit. Next, you guys know I love my Say Super Glowy Gel. I actually got the mini size of this, and I love it for traveling, and I wish they would sell it in these minis so I can just keep repurchasing and restocking because I love how tiny it is. Just gonna blend that in with our fingers. Honestly, fingers are our best tools. Like, I love using my fingers because it helps move and melt my makeup in better. Like, look at that. We're already looking so glowy and we didn't do anything. Also, I did bleach my eyebrows to match my hair, and I feel like the lighting, overhead lighting, makes my eyebrows look kind of crazy. So if I look a little different, that's why. Okay, we're gonna go in with our Parnell Cushion Foundation. I'm in the shade 21 Cool Rosy. And I really like this one because it's fungal acne safe and it doesn't clog my pores. All over my cheeks, just dip it in. And I know with cushion foundations, you're supposed to wash the cushion pad every single time you use it, but I haven't done that. I know that's really gross, but I haven't been breaking out, so I think I'm okay. I just feel like this is such a good shade match for me, and it's a really good base to cover my skin. Look at that. Now that we got a little bit of our base coverage down, I've actually really been loving this NARS Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 2. I don't know, this is like a perfect shade match for me. You're going to be able to see it. Like, I have this scar right here, and I just love neutral tones for my skin because I feel like it just blends in so well. And since this is so creamy, it just blends onto my skin so beautifully. Like, look at that. And it's so high coverage without looking really cakey, which is perfect for me because I have tons of acne scars. Okay, this is actually new. I've never tried this. This is the Laneige Neo Essential Blurring Finish Powder. I have not opened this yet or used this yet, so I'm really hoping it doesn't do me dirty today because I have a really important event right now. It's a really nice cushion puff. I think this is only sold in Korea. From my understanding, the powder's supposed to come out. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this. Ooh, that's so cool. And just powder my face. One day we're gonna make a video just like this with Vogue. I'm manifesting it. But for now, it's just me and my camera and myself. Okay, because I bleached my eyebrows to match my hair, it's looking a little bald, so I'm gonna go ahead and just fill it out very gently, as soft as possible. I'm gonna go ahead and use a brow gel. This one's from Merit, to just give a little bit of extra color. This one's in the shade light brown. I just needed to hold in place. 2. Ta-da! It's like perfect. Okay, time for my favorite part, my blush. You guys know I love mixing my blushes. And my favorite ones right now is this Armani Luminous Silk one and this beautiful House Labs one in the shade Glassy Pomelo. I just love how peachy this looks. Put a little bit under my cheeks like this. Lately, I've just been really liking warmer tones on my cheeks. It's so weird. I feel like I never liked warm tones, but I definitely have been gravitating more towards color because I think it brings me back to life. I add a little touch of this baby cool pink. I'll put it in the center of my cheeks to brighten my face up a little bit. Now, this is a new step that I have been trying to do. This is Say Beauty's bronzer in the shade Salt. But I just feel like this bronzer is like the perfect amount of cool tone, so it's not overly warm. I'm really liking to subtly contour my face a little bit. I've just been really digging the extra warmth, like I said earlier. Just go ahead and apply a little bit of here. here on my nose. Blend it all in. Blend the one on my cheek, just for that extra definition. And my forehead. And I saw this TikTok that says, if you have like an Asian face shape, contour this way to make your face look a little bit smaller and more defined. I think it's really important to understand your face shape and your features to help enhance it the way you want it to, because if you follow a tutorial that doesn't match your features, it's not going to turn out the same. I learned that the hard way. The next step in getting event ready, I'm going to use this beautiful pink eyeshadow palette. I'm just going to mix a few colors. It doesn't have to be any specific color. I just kind of mix it all around and just bring back some color to my face. Then I get my trusty brown eyeliner. Any brown eyeliner will do. And I just follow and contour the natural shape of my eyes for this part. I'm just going to create a nice shadow. It doesn't have to be perfect. Use this before I use like a liquid liner to perfect the eyeliner. Use my fingers and constantly just blend it out to create a really natural shadow. It's kind of like the blueprint to our official eye look. Like that. I will literally just go over that and make a sharper line. Like that. Can I not look like that when I do my eyeliner? I'll go ahead and tightline my eyes with the liquid liner, because I realize when I use a pencil liner, my eyes start to feel really dry. And I think it's because all that wax in a crayon liner really clogs my upper eye duct. So I actually like to use a liquid one. Next, I get a white crayon and I just highlight underneath right here, like my aegis area, to give me like a pop of dimension under my eyes. I think it makes my eyes look a lot brighter, and I'll just rub this across my eyelid too to give me some sparkles. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Shiseido eyelash curler. To get a perfect C-shaped curl, you go from the bottom, middle, and top. And I use a tubing mascara to help lengthen and lift my eyelashes without giving me raccoon eyes underneath. So, sorry, I'm getting really close up to the camera. I'll go ahead and coat everything individually. Now we're almost done. It's just a few more couple touch-up pieces. I love to top off my blush with a really shimmery, kind of like pearlescent highlighter. This is the House Labs Bio Radiant Gel Powder Highlighter in Rose Quartz. I really love this. I just feel like it brings so much luminescence to my face without making it look overly highlightery and glittery. Just like that. Last touch up for my face, I love to use this beautiful freckle pen from Buble, and I'll enhance the natural freckles and moles that I have on my face. I think it just keeps the look really natural. Like I have a mole right here that I like to make a little bit more prominent, and I have a couple freckles here that I like to enhance as well and blend it out so it doesn't look like harsh dots all over my face. I'm gonna go ahead and use this beautiful lip stain. I should have done this in the first step so it could sink in a little bit longer. I use this as kind of like my lip liner, and since it stains them really long. But I like to do the outside of my lips like this and a little bit right here. Once it's ready, I get a wet tissue paper and just wipe it off. This is different than my usual makeup routines. If you guys watch my videos, you know I don't use falsies, but for an important event like this, I love to use individual falsies like this. This case is so gross because I put all the glue on here, but I like to place them like right under my lashes. So let's go ahead and try that. This is the hardest part for me, by the way. Okay, so what I do is I'll get a little bit of lash glue and I put it on the case like so. You want to make the glue slightly tacky. Let it dry out a little bit. And I grab one of these strips. They're really natural short strips. And I let that get a little tacky. Once it gets a little tacky like this, I like to put them under my eyelashes and just fill them in. Oh. See, this is why I said it's the hard part. You have to be really careful. You fill them in to any of the sparse parts in your lashes. Ta-da! I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye and be right back. Okay, they're on. I feel like they're super subtle, but it makes a really big difference. And last but not least, we have our favorite lip products. I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever lip liner. I just love using a My Lips But Better shade for my lips. I think it photographs a lot better on me and it just looks better. And I'm gonna use this Summer Fridays lip oil in the shade Warm Beige. That's it. I love this look. This is like my go-to look for any event. Every makeup look will be the same, just different products, different variations. I'm just a huge my look but better, like my hair but better, my lips but better, my cheeks but better, my eyes but better. I just like enhancing my natural look, and I feel like this is the look that looks the best on me. I feel comfortable in it, I feel radiant in it. I think that's the best type of look, when you feel the best in it. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my Vogue beauty secrets as we dissected my entire face and my entire look. Here we go. But now I'm gonna head out. Oh, I have a really bad habit of putting hair ties on my wrist. I need to take that off. It does not photograph well. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye guys!